Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful shawl that I make it for a party. So look how pretty it is. Literally, this will be my outfit to go to this important event. It was so easy to make. You will see that it will be so simple you won't believe. So before we start, I want to invite all of you to subscribe and I will give you the material list. Well, this shawl will be perfect for any size, small, medium or large. This is so simple to make. It's unisize. I will use 300 grams of a material that is between fine and light and 200 grams of a fantasy yarn. I will show you how it looks and which one I use. It's called lentejuela in Spanish, and I will use the hook of number 3.5 millimeters. So right now I will share all my secrets and tips. Well, we will start. This will be a rectangle. First, I will make you a drawing. As base chains, we are going to make 150 chains, okay? In total, because I already made it and this is the centimeters, we will have 110 centimeters plus 12 centimeters that will be the rows of the edge that will be all around but not in the neck. In the neck we are only going to make single crochet and 42 centimeters of long without taking into account the rows of the edge, okay? And we are going to fold it like this. Here's where we are going to have the place for the armholes. If you want, you can put bottom or a brooch there. And this is where we are going to place our arms, and you will see how easy and simple this is. I hope that you will enjoy making it with me. Remember that this is a unisize, so it will be perfect. You will see how fancy and beautiful you will look. So well, now that it's clear, let's start. Well, so with these two threads, with lentejuela and this material that it's between fine and light, we are going to crochet together 150 chains. Okay, try to make it a little bit loose. Well, at the end of the 150 chains, we are going to make 3 chains. Then we will count 2, 3, the ones that we have just made, and then 2 more, and then in the 6, we are going to insert the hook and make the first double crochet. This double crochet will be out of the 3 crochet. Again, 2 chains, and now right here in the top we are going to make a picot and single crochet. You see, turn over and in the same place a double crochet out of 3 crochet, then 2 chains and a picot. Well, and we are going to continue. We are going to make 5 double crochet, but only 4 will have picot. Okay, so the last one we are going to just make the double crochet. Okay, so we are going to make 5 double crochet, but only 4 will have a picot. So let's see how many do I have so far. And well, we won't count these first 3 chains for the edge, so here we have 4, and let's make the 5th double crochet, and then we have 4 with a picot. You see, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, then yarn over 1, 2, 3, and right here in the 4th we are going to make a double crochet out of 3 crochet. Then yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th we are going to start to make a shell like the one we have just made. And like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. Well, look, here I finished the row, and as you could see here at the end I finished with a double crochet. This will be for the edge. Then we will go up with 3 chains, then yarn over, and we are going to take the first stitch in relief, placing the hook in the back. So right there we are going to make the first double crochet, then 2 chains, and right in the double crochet of the middle, placing the hook in the back, we will go up with a double crochet, then we are going to make 2 chains, and in the same place also in relief, placing the hook in the back, we will go up making a double crochet. So here we will have a V, you see, right in the middle of the shell. Then 2 chains, and in the last double crochet of the shell, right there also placing the hook in the back, we will go up and we will make a double crochet. So we are going to have this over each shell that we have in the last row. So in the middle we will make a V. Then yarn over, and right here where we have this double crochet alone, we are going to place the hook like this in relief too, but in the back. As you could see, I folded a little bit. Then again we are going to place it in the back, make double crochet, 2 chains, and here we are going to make the V. Then 2 chains, and in the same place a double crochet to make the V, then 2 chains, and at the end of the shell a double crochet, and like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. So well, at the end we are going to finish making a double crochet for the edge, okay, to close the row. Please don't forget about this step. Then we will go up with 3 chains, and right where we have the V at the same distance where we made the first shell, right there again we are going to make the shell. So remember, we are going to make 5 double crochet and only 4 will have the picot, and like this is how we are going to continue. So we are going to repeat what we made in the first row. Well, and here we have 2, then 3 with a picot, remember, come back, slip 1 and then single crochet. Okay, so here we have 1, 2 with picot. So here we have, remember that we are going to make 5 double crochet but only 4 with a picot. Okay, so far we have this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we are going to insert the hook right in where the double crochet by itself is, and we are going to make it in relief too. So this part, even if we are in the wrong or in the right side, we are going to always make this double crochet in relief, okay? So we are going to continue making these 2 rows, that is 1 series, until we get the long of the shawl that we want. Remember that I gave you the centimeters. We are going to have, well, of wide I have 110 centimeters. Remember that I told you in the drawing that we made at the beginning, and if you count the shells, I have 15 shells, okay? And then the centimeters from here to here, from side to side, we have 40 to 41 centimeters, right? Without making and counting the last rows of the edge that we are going to make. Well, as I told you, we are going to make these extra rows for the edge. Right? This will be the neck. So we are going to keep here, it's simple, maybe a single crochet, but then here in the side and in the bottom and also in the other side, we are going to make some extra rows for the edge that I will show you. We are going to use a different stitch, but this will be up to you. It's so far in this step you find it okay and you like it how it is, well, you can just leave it like this. So we will start right here in the corner, and we are going to use the same material. We are going to continue using these 2 threads. We will go up with 3 chains. So we are going to skip this space, and in the next space right here we are going to make 3 double crochet. These 3 double crochet again will be out of 3 crochet. Take 2 and 3, and we are going to make 3 inside this space. So this will be 1 segment. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. We will skip this space, and in the next one we are going to make a double crochet, but this double crochet will be only out of 2 crochet, the one that we always make, right? Then again 5 chains. We will skip, let me take more turn. We will skip this space, and then next to it we are going to make a second segment. Remember that each segment is made out of 3 double crochet, and each double crochet out of 3 crochet, and like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. Remember that between we are going to make 5 chains. We are going to make this until here, because here where are the shells will be different. Well, remember that we stop right here, so to turn around we are going to make 5 chains, then the double crochet right here where we have this double crochet, then 5 chains, and then we are going to make the segment of 3 double crochet here next to the double crochet of the middle of the shell. So right here we are going to make together these 3 double crochet, this segment. Then we are going to make 5 chains, and we are going to jump until the next double crochet that it's by itself. So like this is how we are going to continue all around. Remember that here we made the segments inside the spaces, but here will be different. Okay, at the end of the row, remember that here we will turn around, because here on the other side, here, it's where the neck will be, and we are going to make just a single crochet row right there. So we'll turn around and we will go up with 1, 2, 3 chains, and then 5 chains. And then here we are going to transform. Instead of having 3 double crochet in the segment, we are going to make 4. So 1 in the edge, then 2 inside, and then 1 more at the end, right there in the edge. So as you could see in the middle, we are going to make 2 together. So we transform it. Instead of having 3, now we have 4. You see? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 chains. Then we are going to jump where the double crochet is, and right there we are going to make a single crochet. Well, and like this is how we are going to continue the whole row, okay? Here 4 double crochet, 5 chains, single crochet. Well, I did continue like this all around until the other corner. So remember to make at the end the double crochet for the edge. Then now that we are here, without going up, we will repeat the row all around, but instead of having 4 double crochet, we will have 5. I did continue the same, and I finished the row with 5 double crochet. Then here we are going to go up with 3 chains, then yarn over, and then next to it we are going to make a double crochet. Then in the stitch next to it right here we are going to make 2 double crochet together. Here in this row will be a bit different, because here we are going to make shells. So then we are going to make, let's see, so we are going to have the edge, and then we transform from 2 into 3, then 3 chains, and then right here again we are going to make double, the one that it's inside. So we are going to make 2 double crochet right here, and then in the last one we are going to make a double crochet. So at the end we will have something like this. Well, then 1 chain, and then we will jump until we have this other segment only of double crochet, you see. So we are going to repeat. The one that goes in the edge will be single, and the one that goes here will be double. Then we are going to make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and then the one that goes here will be double again, and then the one of the edge will be single. And like this is how we are going to continue all around. Remember that the row that goes in the neck will be alone, so only in the sides and in the bottom too. Look how beautiful. Well, for the next row, we are going to make 5 double crochet inside of the space, then 1 chain, and again 5 double crochet inside of the last space that we made. Remember that between 3 double crochet and 3 double crochet for the shell, we made 3 chains. Well, inside of these 3 chains, we are going to make 5 double crochet, then 1 chain and 5 double crochet. And like this is how we are going to continue all around. I will show you how it looks. As you could see, without making any chain or so, right away we will jump until the next shell to repeat this. Remember, 5 double crochet, 1 chain and 5 double crochet. So well, here I finished the row. Look how beautiful it looks. Now we are going to continue with the next row. Turn around, and this row will be the last one of the edge. We are going to make 1, 2 and 3 single crochet, then 2 chains, and we are going to come back here where we finish the stitch and make a picot, then 3 single crochet. Here we have 1, 2 and 3, and then we will go up with 2 chains and a picot, then again 2 single crochet. Here we have 1. So as you could see here, we are going to have 2, and in the middle of the single crochet the picot. So again 2, in the second single crochet a picot, then 1, and we will finish with 3 single crochet the same way like we started. You see, well, so far we will have something like this. Then we will make a single crochet here, and then we will jump to the next shell, and we are going to repeat the same. So 1 at the beginning, 3 single crochet, 2 and 3. Then we will go up. As you could see here, we have 3 picots in each shell, you see? And well, now with this we finished. Okay, remember that I told you to leave the top by itself. Well, right there we are going to make a single crochet row, and we are going to iron, but just the bottom part, because this part we made some stitches in relief and I think it will lose its magic. So only the bottom we are going to iron using a protection under, very soft and gently. Remember, be careful, and use some pins to put your shells like I want it to be. And right here on the top we are going to make single crochet row. Please be careful, don't tie too much or skip too much spaces, because if not it will lose its shape. So please be careful right there. So now let's see how it looks. Well, so here I have it in the mannequin. Remember here to put some brush or a bottom right there, so we can draw and make the imaginary sleeve, so you can put your arms right here in these holes and you can wear it and you will look so amazing. If not, well, only you can put a brush here in the top and wear it like a scarf or as a shawl, like you want. I love the result, and I hope that you all enjoy making it with me. Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. I hope that you all make it. And I know that there are a lot of questions from where my material is. Remember that I buy it in Mexico, but if you don't have the opportunity, well, you can buy it in any other place. The most important is the weight yarn that you use. But well, before you go, I want to invite all of you to subscribe. Remember that it's completely free. Don't forget to share this video if you like it, and to follow me in all my social media. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for coming videos. Take care. Bye bye. See you.